in your computer. Okay, the other reason to this one. Realistic. Oh, there is one. This one. So now, when I go and choose some old style, M, and standard. So there are Gibson, Masonic, stone, power, terracotta. This one. Finish. So I choose it. Now save it. Go to top one, and as you remember, the wall, and if you want to change this one and create like this. So go to 2D wireframe and then realistic. Oh, it's different.
Excuse me, like, didn't you say we don't need to use the exact same materials?
No. Yes. But I want some add in other material. I think that it's problem for my computer. It's not working. No, it's not working. Okay. Okay. So the way is like this, not different. So the another way, if you have some material here, there's a match properties. Maybe it's worked. Yes. So there's a match property. It's a copy materials, and press here, and why it's not working? Enter. No, it's not working for the designs. Okay, next. The next step is to create the inside walls. The same one you want to create an inside wall. So the main reason you know that how to create different thickness and wide walls, yes, and materials. Do you understand? In others.
Yes.
Yes.
So please try in your computer to create, and if you have some question, tell us. So next step to drawing inside walls. The same one.
So we should do same for Windows, or it's different?
You can choose only, not create your own. It's a next level, another level.
Okay.
So I want to copy. There is some paste and copy it and paste. Rename. For example, it's a 30 centimeter, and same one. There is no brick, but there is some gypsum, gypsum, gypsum. Save it. Oh, why I style. So next is same one but different sizes. So 2.5, 25 and 30. There's 100 and minus 10. Yes. Next is 25 and minus. Oh, it's a yes. It's the same one. It's like this. Yes. But I think that there is some error. No. Okay. So next materials. So gypsum is a gypsum. Same masonry, and that's all. Okay. Save it, and now go to the and we want sizes. Yes. Like this one. So for it, you can change create new layer for dimension and another color, blue. Right click, select similar, and you can change layer. So now next, the dimensions. For example, from here, So, um, okay, let's start. Wall, the style, I change it, the style, yes, and I try to drawing. So, you want to change the justify type, like this.
Hi, Sympios. I'm host who plays 이한실.
I'm Kwon-Yuli, who plays 안서윤 in
You
Paris,
can
Please
enter.
Be Happy.
저희 드라마 가석방 심사관 이한실에 대한 소식은
승피에서
So, the sizes, for example, we can check our sizes. So, I want more 20 centimeter. Yes, I can check it now. Yes, it's correct. And the same wall and 2.2 meter also. And I want to continue with this, like this. So next is to create another. There are some another ways. For example, I want from here 3.22, 3.2, for example, like this wall, and I start from here. Now I want center. When I press wall and justify and change center, go here, and like I want to some line also from center. Yes, wall.
Script reading for TVN's upcoming drama, My Dearest Nemesis, starring Moon Ga-young and Choi Hyun-wook, has been released, with the drama confirmed to air in February.
No,
Their delivery of every line
I
is
remember that. Justify is right. I want center
choosing this drama.
like this one.
In the group photo,
So sometimes there are some errors. For example, like this. You want also always to connect all these walls, and you want to mark it, and this one also, and there are intelligent cleanup. Then you want mark it, and this all it automatically automatically connect each other. So next So I want to add, yes. Okay, we can. 4.3. 4.3 from here. Yes, like this. And we can continue this wall here. And next, the type of justify is this wall. It continues each other. And it's all. So next, 8. We want, yes. So now from this line, 8, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, no, 8, 6, 5, 0. It's like there. But if you see, this line is not the same. You can create line like this and make some symmetrical. So now I press here and come on this line and end this line, sorry. And next press here and go to the another grid. So now we can check it. Yes, this is not correct. And you can mark it and move it. Mark and move like this. So next is inside some walls. Mark here, and you want some right or left. Left, I think it's left. No, it's right. Right one. Wall and justify. It's a right one. When you press here, you want to continues. Yes. And next is inside. For example, you can come here or no. So the center line from here like this and copy 2.2 2000 like this, and it's the same. I don't want to drawing. It's the same.
Can we add now a window and doors?
Yes. Okay. The next step is to create a slab, and after that you can create and drawing doors and windows. So okay, let's start from door. For example, the double hug, or you can choose from here. There's a single one. When you press here and you the main reason you want to add only, and next you can change the sizes, the for example there, like this, and the direction. That's all. So it's first. Okay, it's outside, like this. So next, for example, window. Go to window, there, press browser, and you want to choose, for example, the standard or sure. Erwin, like this one. So the reason is that you want to measure it, for example, from grid and 2 meter. So press here and press the window, and you when you press tab, you can choose 2 meter. That's all. So if the size is incorrect, first you want to measure it. Yes, measure distance. It's a 1.5, and now you see there is a size. That's all. So if we go to realistic, sometimes you want regranate, or another way is to make go to 2D wireframe and next realistic, same one. So in 3D it's not open, but when you go to top view, everything is here. So if you want to change the colors or hatch, you go to also wall styles. There are no outside wall and display properties. So there are plan. You can click twice, and there are some another hatch boundary. For example, this one, and yeah, another some viewing models. For example, in Sketch, for example, and for us, we want only plan. Yes, and if you change the hatch, it automatically change all this. For example, this one. Okay, let's try. string work hatch can change like a blue. Save it. Like a grenade. But maybe another edit. So plan. It's our plan. So next is the okay. Can we turn on? Oh, it's another way to make it. It's not important for me, but you can. Oh, there is a hedge. Another hedge. So shrink warm hedge. We don't want it. So there is a hedge. A lot of. Okay, if I change, for example, this one. Why it's not changed?
These are honestly more blueberries than strawberries. I just get stuck with more and more blueberries. The result is perfect. They're so soft, moist, and tender. You get fluffy, delicious inside, and they're topped with a crisp crumble. And they're really, really sweet. 刚刚是角色。
So the main reason is that you want to know which hatch is it here, and next to change it. So, for example, there's a lot of hatch. Let's turn all of that.
刚刚是角色就好。
We have only 3, yes? 3, 1. And delete. No, it's not. Delete. Let's try to glue. Yes. So you want to know which hatch is in your style. Which one is it to insert? Okay. Let's undo. Okay, the next one is to add a second story. Yes? Building? Or not?
Let's do this one to know it.
So, do you remember?
The band doesn't stand BTS anymore.
No.
No.
Okay, so there. We have G, yes? Here. So we want to copy construct to level. And then you want to mark this one and okay. So we have first level and it's not open now. when I open it, it's the same, yes? But do you remember that our level is 3.4035 meter. So now I want to change the size of all the all these walls, and how. So
So
there.
we are already on second floor or not yet?
So now when I create this one, is a second not second plan, but I want to insert the size floor to floor level, and base height there is 3 meter. I want to enter 3. uh, I don't remember, sorry, this one. Okay, so it's changed all this height of the walls, and now it's a first. Oh, sorry, no, it's a second. No, it's G floor there. Now there are 3. Okay, why we need it? We have 2 floor here, the plan, and we go to view and right click and general and next. So we want to mark all this plan and next and finish. So now our 3D model is here, and when you press twice, it's open automatically. Did you see? Go to realistic or conceptual. So what is error for this situation? Do you know? There is a space, nothing to here.
We do not have slab.
I talk about only the space. So my error is that my wall is 3 meter, and go to GG. So there, it's a plan of G, and there are only base height is a 3 meter. So in Project Navigator, I add 3.4075 meter. So first, you want to correctly set the height of the wall and the level side. So you want to mark only walls, like mark one and right click and select similar, and there are inside walls, yes, right click and select similar, and all these walls is, and also here this wall 3. Yes, so I set new height, and I want to save it. Then I go to 3D, and here is some notification, and I want to press this blue uh, this area, and right, and press here. So now it's update, and when I go to realistic, it's the same. No, not same. It's correctly set. So um, also, I want to not delay it. In 3D, you want to turn off the grid lines, and there are, so for example, there, this one, no, it's a first floor, and second floor is there, and sizes. You see?
We should turn off it from layers, right?
Yes. So now go to ground floor and create a slab. Floor. So there are slab. You can change, for example, the materials also here. The same way to add some materials, but it's not too important now. I want to create walls, types, and thickness, and create grid and the set materials. Only walls, because the in other elements is the same. So now it's a standard, and when you have, for example, the first floor, and sometimes you have some additional sizes, you can create like this one. You want to mark only perimeter. I don't want it. And enter. So you can also change this one like this. So I have there are slab, and you can change the sizes also if you want, like this. For example, The next level is to set different material for slab. There are type of slab types. Add different materials, components also here. It's the same same one, same functions, and you want to search the materials from material browser, and there are stone, wall, wood, plastic, paint. For example, paint, or it's for wall. Roof. So there is a floor. You see, in other materials, for example, this one. So you can add in your project and change the material. And then why we need it? The first, for example, in in other materials, for example, in bathroom is another material, for living room or rooms is another materials. You can calculate it, how many square meter is it, and add some table. So the next is to create a roof. So for example, now you can create same one. You can create here a roof, or you can add from the levels in Project Navigator one another level like this, and also copy the same way with the floor. Okay. This one is the floor. And when I go here, so for floor, you want to know the perimeter, yes. And when you make some perimeter here, and when you make some slab, or roof, if you want, like this one. Sorry.
If you want to fade acne scars, but don't have the time or money for lasers or procedures, there are 3 things that you can try at home to even out scars. I've said before, and I'll say it
Like
again,
this.
adapalene is simply
Yes.
for acne scars.
You want to mark it, and the first is you want to delete this, all this stuff, and mark it and move
including glycolic acid, helps soften scars and help fade brown or red
3,
marks. You embrace
4,
acne scars like this, and there's one more product that we connect. Silicone sheets can flatten excess tissue
like this,
and
yes.
the size to
So
treat elevated
remember,
acne scars without.
yes.
If you want to fade acne scars, but don't have the time or
1
money for
minute.
lasers or procedures, here are 3 things
How
that
many
you
is
can
it?
try at home to even out those scars. I've said it before
Yes.
and I'll say it again. Adapalene is simply elite for acne scars and texture. Apply pea-sized
Okay, go to there. So there are some some edit edge. So there are in other components of roof for slope. Slope is we can create like this one. Same. So there, edge. Is a big one. Yes. Slope. Maybe it's the same, but I want to change the view object. Okay, properties. Designed. And I choose the roof. Roof slab. No, we want roof. So thickness, overhang. So we want height. It's so many. Okay. Height. And twice. And slope is 20. So go to top. To wireframe. The height. Height's this one. So for us, height is a 0 now because it's a third plan. We want to delete all these walls and everywhere, everything. So next, go to 3D, right click, and properties, and we want to add the floor. Go to context, mark it, and OK. And now, when I open this one here, there's a updatable file. Press here, and no. close it. Or 3D view, same one, properties, concept, and we want to mark there the file also. But we want to save this file. Save this file. There is a, and now we can change the roof and go to realistic, and you see we have roof also. So we want to delete the additional material or hide it. Maybe there is no UI. We can turn on the no layers. Yes, turn on yes, and dimension. But there's a dots. And also, we have not the slab. Yes, save it, and when we go 3D, it's update automatically, and go to realistic, and there are so two-story building with where the
we have to do staircase too, right?
staircase, yes.
Can you show this staircase?
Yes. Okay. So we have here there this button, stairs. So when we press here, first we want to know floor to floor height. And always you want to open the properties, and we choose the style. It's a standard, but when you go to browser, there is different types. For example, the concrete or standard or in other some styles you can add, but the main is that you want to understand how to make it. So for example, there is a concrete, and I choose concrete. Twice, or there is a add object. See there. So I close it, and then okay, same one. So there is a concrete, the style. You can change it if you want. So there is a shape, U shape, multi-landing shape, spiral, sprite. We know it, all of them. So we can choose multi-landing, sorry, and the turn type 2, 4, to turn, for example, to landing. You can choose it, and then so wide. There is A, and you see what is wide. So there is a B height, the three thousand, so 3 meter. So we have 3, 4, 7, 5. Yes. And next, there's a justify, a riser, and calculation rules. So you want to press here, and there are the main calculation rules. For example, you want to enter two main information. For example, we have here the straight late, the A, it's a late of the straight. The B is riser count, the number of the steps. There's a C, riser size, and the D is a trade. So if we know, and you know that the D trade is over the 30 centimeter, you want to press here plus, see, but it's not changed. Now there's a for calculation some stuffs, and you want to choose only one. So for example, if I choose the trade, press here and I enter it. So next is to OK, and it's automatically change and calculate the another components. So you see, I press only one, and there's numbers, how many step I want. I can press here and create some load area, and then change the size, you see here, and go to up also, and finish. So if I turn this one, you see it's like this. Go to conceptual or go to realistic. There are material also, and there are the calculations steps. So first, also there are different types of the different types of information you want to know, and sorry. So mark it, and there is a style, and stair style, and concrete, press twice, and design rules. For example, there is a slope and other information, trade depth, and how to calculate it. So next is stringers. Then you have a slab also, or houses. If we change it, it's only slab. See? edit style. So next, ramp, for example, it's the same. Okay, we want shaded, yes, and edit style also, and so there are noise light, and we don't want it noise light. So no, we have noise light, but we don't want sloping riser. Okay, you see, it's a vertical. Now when you have the sloping riser, it's changed like this. You see? So we don't want now. Like this. And okay. That's all. For example, we can go to here and go inside. It's a first floor. No, we don't want here. We can create here the wall stairs. So same, when you press here, you want to some same one to create. Okay, and let's start left one. Let's start like this. No, like from here. You can press here and make this one. No. Control Z is the undo. More than so. You see this another style. This one. When you press here and choose, or press twice here and choose concrete, it's automatically changed. And press and go to style and sloping, turn off sloping, and leading. There is another components for it. For example, A and B. You see, there is a B uh, 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 9 centimeter. So we don't want 0, and it's changed. You see here. So next, now I want another level here. I want the floor, but I want only also cut the floor. For it, I want to copy the stair and mark it and right click, and there is a copy clipboard, copy, and we have here the right, we can press right click also and pass to original coordinates. It's the same coordinates and it's copy same location. So go to top it's realistic. Go to top view. Okay, it's sometimes changed. So now I haven't here. No, so we know that. Okay, we make some balcony here, and go to slab. Create a slab. But now we want to add the slab only inside, because if we create outside, we add only some line. For example, I create the balcony now, and then I'll show you why I am make this. So no, inside.
We're just gonna wipe it down.
So conceptual, and there is nothing. Some error.
First time I met Ethan was when my mother successfully went from a mistress to a
Okay, go to view, go to top, go to
He was Ethan Brooks,
2D wireframe,
but Ethan didn't even see as if I didn't exist.
view cube.
My mother was too weak to protect me. No one stood by me. What I didn't expect was the one who treated me the best was the indifferent and distant Ethan. To protect myself, I chose to be Ethan's secret lover. During the day, we maintained a distant relationship, but at night, Ethan became someone entirely different, engaging in passionate sex with me. Ethan, slow down. My voice trembled. My hands clutching the phone.
Sometimes has
Light fell on my flushed face.
it has some
Leaned in deliberately, lightly breathing.
something misunderstanding. Okay, so try again to create slab only inside. Then you can change the point. So go to different direction and conceptual. So why we need the steer here? Yes, because we want to cut it and we want the dimensions. Go to view, also go to 2D wireframe, and so now there's our slab. I mark it, and we want to cut it, but so now or trim it.
My explanation was cut short by Ethan. Protect yourself? Do you really think I don't see what you're after? Ethan